KPIT Cummins Infosystems Limited is one of the leading IT organizations which strongly believes in corporate social responsibility. With the help of reputed NGO Seva Sahyog, KPIT Cummins always has been involved in setting up an example to help people in an innovative and useful way. This is the story about one such example, a story of T Point. As the clock ticks 9, company buses arrive at KPIT Cummins. Thousands of IT professionals step into the premises. Along with them, one lady is also seen entering into the company. Dige Bhabhi, owner of the Tea Point in KPIT Cummins canteen. She follows the routines of security procedures required in the company, makes her way in the premises, and then takes the elevator to her own special place in the canteen. Within no time, she gets the tea ready. The pleasant smile on Dige Bhabhi's face adds a delicious taste to the tea. There is a story behind her pleasant smile. It all started in the year 2007 in the Jayaprakash Nagar area of Yeravada. This is where Dige Bhabhi lives. The story started from here. The journey was not so easy as it looks. We asked Bhabhi how it all started.
बचत गट मार्गून कुठं मीटिंग असले ते वेळी मी चहा बनवून द्यायचं त्यांना. मग असं चहा बनवून देता देते कोणीतरी कुठं लग्न वगैरे असले तर नाश्ता चहा असे जेवणाचं दे म्हणलं तर तसे देत होते मी बनवून. मग शिबिर बसले मुलांचं शिबिर असते ना 2 दिवस.
Surajya, a reputed NGO, works for the upliftment of people living in the slum areas. They encourage the women living here to start self-help groups. These groups are called Bachat Gats. During the meetings, the groups also discuss about various opportunities for their own upliftment. KPITians also occasionally attend these meetings as facilitators. Dige Bhabhi is one of the leaders of such a self-help group. One day, the agenda for the meeting was on how to set up a small business in a nearby area. As usual, Dige Bhabhi served tea to all. The idea clicked there. KPIT Cummins required someone to run a tea stall in their canteen. So, could someone take this opportunity? Dige Bhabhi decided to take it up.
पुष्कर माणिकताई ते सगळे आले. मग त्यांचं काय बोलण्यात आलं माहिती नाही. मग नंतर मला विचारलं ते काय भाभी तुम्ही करणार का KPIT मध्ये असा स्टॉल चालू करायचा म्हणून विचारते. म्हणजे बघू तुम्ही सांगत असले तर नाही का घरात विचारून सांगाल म्हणून. सर सांगितले होते मला खूप मोठी कंपनी आहे तुम्ही हजार पोळी लाटले तर तुम्ही हे ॲडजस्ट करू शकाल का बघा. मी म्हणले मी बोलून दाखवणार नाही करून काम करून दाखवू.
We asked Mr. Tushar Pitre how the thought of having Tea Point in canteen came up.
Now, as you are aware, this Hinjewadi campus HDB 1 was commissioned in the year 2005. Now our Managing Director Mr. Kishore Patil, it has always been his dream to provide facilities to employees within KPIT which are typically Pune centric. Now if you see in Pune, at every nook and corner you would have the establishment called Amrutulya, where freshly made tea is brewed and served to customers, okay, using fresh milk. Now this is something which I felt would be very good for the employees of KPIT.
But then why these women from Bachatgarh? Why not established vendors?
Our chairman, Mr. Ravi Pandit, he put in his views, and as you know that in KPIT we take our corporate social responsibility very seriously. Apart from gifting computers to school and educating children, we also look at the upliftment of downtrodden women in the society in Pune. So since this was the chairman's dream that we must show this as part of our corporate social responsibility, not for anything, but since we truly believe in this cause.
Great. Santosh, then how we help them to set up a stall here? They must not be having any experience, right?
When they started the counter, we provided them the support, whatever support was required. Initial basic training was given to them by giving them on-job training at SDB2 counter.
It is where they learned the importance of working in a hygienic environment, ensuring their own personal hygiene since they are dealing with food stuff. Once the basic training was achieved by them, infrastructure like a little bit of space in the canteen, then they were given gas cylinders, they were given gas burners, table. They were also educated as to how to put up a counter that should look decent, should display all the wares, and that is how they started.
As Tea Point started, we asked Bhabhi what kind of processes you were asked to follow, as KPIT Commons is a process-oriented organization.
शेखर सर तर सांगितले होते आम्हाला आधीच, तुम्हाला कुठला रस्ता दिले ते रस्त्याने जायचं, तेच रस्त्याने यायचं, बाकी ठिकाणी कुठं फिरायचं नाही आणि कोणासंगती बोलायचं नाही. मी म्हणजे ठीक आहे सर. नाही मग संतोष गुदे सर बी मदत केली, त्यांनी बी खूप आम्हाला टेबल दिले तिथल्या कंपनीतला, आणि पास वगैरे वेळेवर काढून दिले आतमध्ये एंट्री करायसाठी. कधी सोडले नाही तर उशीर झाले तर मग आतमध्ये आल्यावर नंतर सांगितले सर असं आज वेळेवर सोडले नाही. मग दुसऱ्यांदा त्यांना सांगून ठेवले, ह्यांना लेडीजला वेळेवर सोडत जा.
How was your first day when you started?
मी तिथं वाटत होती तसं पहिल्यांदा. शेखर सर येऊन नारळ ते फोडून सुरू केलं होतं तेव्हा. मग माणिकताईचं नवरा बी तिथंच होते ना. ते संतोष सर आलते, पुष्कर बी होते. ते म्हणले जाऊ दे, आज पूजा करून तसं कशाला चालूच ठेवा, आजपासूनच चहा करा. फक्त आम्ही पूजा करून जाणार होते त्या दिवशी सगळं सामान ठेवून. मग शेखर सर बी म्हणले ठीक आहे, चालू करत तुम्ही दूध पिरा आणून द्या. मग आमच्या इथले एक महिला गेले, दूध घेऊन आले 10 लिटर. दुपारचे 3:30-4 नंतर आम्ही चहा बनवायला सुरू केले. मग परत 10 लिटर संपले तर परत दूध कमी पडलं, परत 10 लिटर आणले. ते पहिल्यांदा दिवशी 20 लिटर सगळे आवडून सगळ्यांनी येऊन घेतले.
It was a good beginning. Bhabhi, how do you manage all this? Milk, tea powder, gas cylinders. Do you get anybody's help there?
पहिल्याच बोलले होते दूध तर आम्हाला घेता येणार नाही, दूध कंपनीत आणून द्या म्हणून. मग नंतर सिलेंडरवाले आम्ही 2-3 महिना जाऊन आणत होते, दर हप्त्याला जाऊन. रिक्षाला जास्त पैसे घेत होते. मग कॅन्टीनमध्ये समोर आहेत ना, त्यांचंच कंपनीचं एक माणूस यायचं द्यायला. मग आम्ही विचारले, आम्हाला बी हप्त्याला एक सिलेंडर लागते, आणून देते. मग ठीक आहे, मग ते आता आणून.
What about the setup? How did you manage the initial cost?
संस्थेकडून मदत घेतली. चहाचा भांडे लागण्यासाठी नाही का, पातेला, चमचा, कप आणि चहाचा कंटेनर ते सगळे लागत होते, ते संस्थेने मदत केली.
KPIT Commons and Surajya have jointly helped Dighe Bhabhi to cultivate and commercially exploit her skills for her own betterment. On and off, there are challenges which come up, and both these organizations go out of their way to find out a solution.
For the past 2 years that they have been with us, they have imbibed the culture. Wherever mid-course corrections were required from our part, that has been imparted to them. Daily checks are carried out to ensure that the hygiene standards are maintained, how their behavioral etiquettes are maintained, even down to basic things like using of the ladies' washroom has been explained to them in detail so that they improve as people apart from on their financial status.
The tea stall has now become a part and parcel of the canteen. Now KPITians are used to special tea provided by Tea Point. They start their day with this fresh sip, and day by day Dige Bhabhi is becoming popular.
Because see, the only disqualification that these ladies had is that they come from poor families. But otherwise their entrepreneurial skills have been enhanced. They actually now, I'm sure, have set an example in their homes that don't give up hope just because you're below poverty line. If you're willing to work hard, if you're willing to take risks, there are adequate number of corporates in the industry who genuinely believe in this cause of the upliftment of downtrodden women and would more than welcome give them a chance to make something in life.
This is how the journey of Tea Point started. Now, after 2 years, these women have a success story to tell. KPIT Cummins expects that this project should set up an example for women from the underprivileged areas to stand on their feet and support their families. Does Dige Bhabhi feel confident enough? Yes, she is confident and in far better condition than she was 2 years ago.
चालू नाही तर तुम्ही एवढा हसताय, चालू झालं काय कराल.
आणि तुम्ही प्रश्न कोणी विचारला ना, तुम्ही इकडे बघा, म्हणजे त्यांच्याकडे लक्ष देऊ नका. प्रश्न ऐकून तुम्ही उत्तर द्या.
किंवा असं समजा की समजा मला तुमच्या
तसं आमच्या महिला म्हणते कुठं कंपनी भेटल्या तर आम्ही परत चालू करू. आणि आम्ही चालू केलं आणि आम्ही तुमच्यासारखं कंटिन्यू करून चालू करून दाखवू म्हणते तसे.